Hello guys, welcome y'all back to my channel with a short cybersecurity episode in Kali Linux. Today we are going to see how we can install John the Ripper, password cracker, without any third-party external installer packages. This tool can be easily installed to your Kali-Linux virtual machine with a couple of commands. So let's see how it goes. First, open your Kali-Linux terminal and type the command sudo space apt space install space john. Now hit enter. Now enter your password. Okay, now give Y to proceed. Wait while the installation finishes. Now let's confirm whether the installation ran properly. Yeah, finally we made it. Congrats! See y'all soon in another cool episode like this. Until then, stay tuned.